The new Audi A5 impressed numerous media representatives and many potential customers with its qualities at its world premiere. Now it is proving its qualities in the south of France. The model variants of the Audi A5 demonstrate their full potential on the winding roads of the Côte d'Azur. Powerful and partially electric petrol and diesel engines with MHEV Plus. The new A5 model series marks the launch of the first engines with Audi's new MHEV Plus technology, a 48-volt mild hybrid system with powertrain generator, belt starter alternator and lithium iron phosphate battery. The MHEV Plus system takes the performance and efficiency of the new Audi A5 TDI and Audi S5 1.2 to a new level. The systems ensure dynamics on mountain passes in Saint-Paule-de-Vence thanks to up to 18 kilowatts, 24 horsepower, of additional electric power, while also excelling in nice city traffic with purely electric driving during stop-and-go driving. When decelerating, the powertrain generator feeds energy back into the compact lithium iron phosphate battery with up to 25 kilowatts of regenerative braking. The MHEV Plus system also offers numerous advantages in urban traffic. On the one hand, the electric support for the combustion engine significantly reduces fuel consumption, especially when driving slowly. On the other hand, the stored energy helps to provide power-intensive systems even when the combustion engine is not running. With sufficient charge, the electrically driven air conditioning compressor, for example, continues to operate and keeps the interior at a comfortable temperature. For a driving experience in line with Audi DNA, the decisive factor is not only the drive, but also the chassis. When the new Audi A5 and S5 1.2 models were being developed, the brand's typical driving characteristics were at the top of the technical specifications. These include effortless and precise driving. The new Audi A5 should impress with its dynamic and agile handling as well as its comfort. To achieve this, Audi has reworked the chassis with a series of detailed improvements. The new Audi A5 rolls off the production line with a dynamically tuned steel suspension as standard. Alternatively, the S-Sport suspension, standard on the Audi S5 1.2, and the S-Sport suspension with electronic damper control are available. Both optional versions lower the body by 20 mm. The optional adaptive S-Sport suspension with damper control offers a significantly wider spread between the individual driving modes that can be selected via the Audi Drive Select dynamic handling system. Once inside, the new displays immediately catch the eye: the 11.9-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit and the 14.5-inch Audi MMI panoramic display with curved design. Optionally, the 10.9-inch MMI passenger display completes the digital stage. Exceptional ergonomics and simple, driver-centric operation were key elements in the development of this concept. The curved panoramic display is designed to be easily accessible and usable. The new Audi A5 models feature the Audi Assistant, a voice assistant that understands natural language and learns autonomously. The driver activates the assistant with the voice command, "Hey Audi," or via a button on the steering wheel. This can be used to perform various vehicle functions, start navigation, or request general information. If the Audi Assistant cannot answer the question, the AI chatbot ChatGPT provided via the Microsoft Azure OpenAI service is used, which accesses millions of data records and provides answers. This is seamless for the driver, as all functions are integrated into the Audi Assistant. The head-up display HUD in the new Audi A5 models has also been redeveloped. Thanks to maximum use of the installation space and adapted display technology, the visible display area is more than 85% larger than before, and the display is even more precise. In the new A5 models, Audi underlines its leading role in the lighting design and lighting technology departments. The Audi A5 family features digital, optionally customizable daytime running lights with LED technology at the front and second-generation digital OLED taillights at the rear. With around 60 segments per digital OLED panel, they increasingly form a display at the rear of the vehicle in the A5. This enables vehicle-to-vehicle communication and increases safety on the road. This includes, for example, the new communication light, which warns other road users during automatic parking and in the event of an accident or danger by means of a specific light symbol in the digital light signature.